In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically add tags based on pipeline movement in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that applies the right tag the moment a deal moves to a specific stage in your pipeline, making segmentation, reporting, and follow-up much easier. First, open your GoHighLevel account and head to Automation. We're going to build a brand new workflow so everything is clean and easy to manage. Click Create Workflow and choose Start from Scratch. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later. A good example is Pipeline Movement Tag Automation. Consistent naming helps a lot once you have multiple automations running. Next, add the trigger that will fire whenever a deal changes stages. Click Add New Trigger and search for Pipeline Stage Changed. This trigger listens for updates in your pipeline, so it's perfect for tagging contacts when they progress. Now configure the trigger. Select the specific pipeline you want to monitor. If you manage multiple pipelines, make sure you pick the one that actually contains the stages you're using for this automation. Then add filters and choose Pipeline Stage. Pick the exact stage you want to watch, such as Consultation Scheduled. Being specific ensures the tag only applies when the card lands in that stage, not just anywhere in the pipeline. Click Save Trigger to lock those settings in. With the trigger ready, add the action that applies the tag. Click the plus button below the trigger, choose Action, search for Add Contact Tag, and select it. In the tag field, type the tag you want added when a contact reaches that stage. For example, use Consult Booked for Consultation Scheduled. A simple, consistent format, like lowercase with hyphens, keeps your tags easy to read and filter. To help you plan your naming, here's an example mapping for a law firm pipeline. New inquiry for new lead, consult booked for consultation scheduled, docs requested for documents requested, docs submitted for documents received, client retained for case signed, and settlement phase for settlement negotiation. Use this approach to mirror your own stages one-to-one with clear, unique tags. Click Save Action, then publish the workflow. Publishing makes it live, so from now on, whenever a card moves into the selected stage in that chosen pipeline, the contact will automatically receive the tag you specified. Repeat this same setup for any other stages you want to track, keeping your tag names consistent across the board. That's it. You've just built a reliable tagging system driven by pipeline movement in GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.